Hi, what if I tell you that we have found a magical medicine that can cure all your hernia related problems? One pill and your hernia is gone. I know it makes you happy, very happy in fact. But please carry along and watch this video till the end. Let me explain. In my previous video, I told you hernia is nothing but a gap in the muscles of the abdomen. Like in this wall, there is a gap. Now, if suppose you have to repair this wall, how would you do it? You'll need some brick and some cement to fill the gap all over again to have a wall which is completely functional. Likewise, an abdomen wherein you have a hernia needs surgical repair, and that is by closing the defect, putting in a mesh by the help of laparoscopy. I know your happiness was short-lived, but what can I do? This is science. So don't fall prey to any medicine, herbal tea or drops that promises you to take care of your hernia problems, because it won't. To know more about hernias, log on to my website. Thank you very much for your patience.